this break I've taken and really kind of just had to find myself, you know? Like I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was really thinking about changing the name of this channel. Alright, Wiz Gang, now look, alright, I know you guys are probably like, yo, where have you been, bro? Alright, now look, I know I haven't had a chance to even formally say Happy New Year, Wiz Gang. Okay, look, it's 2020, it's a new year. You know, I'm pumped for this year 2020. Now let me tell you guys why I'm pumped, alright? Look, this is the year I graduated. You know, I kind of like just, you know, saying Happy New Year to the Wiz Gang and kind of telling you guys the things that I have planned for this channel, the things that I want to get accomplished for this channel in the year 2020. But you know what? Yeah, I graduate this year. So that means in this year 2020 on this channel is that, you know, this is low-key gonna turn into a full-time job. You know, I also got into a shop now. You know, I'm no longer, you know, cutting hair in here anymore. I kind of turn this into my full, you know, like studio setting. You know, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. It's not too much of a tour, you know, nothing crazy going on. Just like a nice space for me to work, focus, you know, to do my editing and get these videos out for you guys. You know, I already got a haircut tutorial already edited, already scheduled for, you know, upload. So like I told you guys, I'm ready. Don't worry though, you know, for the wavers out there, I'm still going to be pushing out them wave tutorials, wave videos. Roasting my subscribers waves is coming back. I've already asked you guys if you guys wanted that one back. Also, the brush time video is coming back. You know, if you guys don't know what the brush times are, low-key, I'm not even gonna say nothing, all right? Like, them are like some weird but interesting videos, okay? And you guys ended up liking them. I'm gonna bring those back for you guys. This break I've taken and really kind of just had to find myself, you know? Like, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was really thinking about changing the name of this channel. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if I should keep the channel name as 360 Wiz or not. And the reason being though is I'm getting tired of being called a copycat, honestly. I'm getting tired of being called, you know, 360 Jeezy, you know. And this time away from the channel, you know, I've had time to, you know, really find out my for real personality. My personality when it comes to people, being on camera, and really just like being on here, you know, being on a platform and showing people, you know, really who's me and what I want people to see. It was like I had to figure that out. And I really feel like, you know, I'm there, you know, I'm there. I'm ready to show, I'm ready to give YouTube my flavor, all right? I'm ready to really show you guys what, you know, what Wiz is all about, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, if you guys want me to, you know, change the channel name or whatever, you know, hey, you know, drop whatever, you know, drop a name that you guys think I should have. It's time. It's time to hit that grind. It's time to hit that consistency. I've been listening to you guys in the comments. Y'all want more. Like, I was uploading every 3 days. You guys say, hey, man, like we want more videos, more consistent videos. So that's what you guys are going to get, man. Like, it's time, man. It's time to really push out what the Wiz Gang all about. It's time to show people what the Wiz Gang all about. Time to show people, you know, that what I have to offer, basically. But, you know, I'm going to cut it off here, you know. Don't forget to go ahead and smash that like button for me. It helps me out, helps you guys out. Come on, help me, help you. So don't forget to subscribe. You guys already know. Join the Wiz Gang family. You already know how it is. You guys already know. This is Wiz.